of gross international reserve my administration inherited in 2017. Economic growth. The noise will not shut out the statistics. And I intend to put the statistics on the record of Hamza. No matter the amount of noise. The level of interruption is high. Please, honorable members. His Excellency the President is not out of order. Honorable members, your statistics might be different from his, but that doesn't mean he's misleading the House. He's in order. Please, Your Excellency, continue. Your statistics cannot be different. There's only one set of statistics on the road. It cannot be different. Truth is indivisible. Truth is indivisible. It's one and one only. Your Excellency, thank you very much. As an accomplished member of Parliament, you are out of order. Economic growth has also returned to the pre-COVID trajectory. With impressive growth rate, rising from 4.8% in the first quarter of 2024, 7% in the second quarter, and 7.2% in the third quarter. It is projected that this year's growth rate will be 6.3%, significantly higher than the 3.4% my administration inherited in 2017. The growth of the economy is further reflected in the growth of private sector credit. Private sector credit in nominal terms grew by 28.87% in October 2024, compared to the negative 7.5% growth recorded in the same comparative period of 2023. In real terms, credit to the private sector improved to 5.5% compared to a contraction of 31.6% recorded in October 2023. It is further reinforced by improved external balance, with the current account balancing improving significantly to a surplus of 2.6% of GDP in the first 9 months of the year, compared to a deficit of 6.6% of GDP in 2016. In much the same way, the trade balance has improved. It stands at a surplus of 3.85 billion United States deficit of 1.8 billion United States dollars. 16. Headline inflation, which stood at 23% in November, is still very high. But this is coming down from 54% recorded in December 2022, following the effects of COVID-19 and other global economic crises. Encouragingly, food prices have also begun to decline, bringing some relief to households and contributing to a reduction in the overall cost of living. Government has implemented significant measures to address the hardships that accompany the economic difficulties. These include increased budgetary allocations towards the school feeding program, capitation grants, insurance scheme and the livelihood empowered against poverty program. The stock of public